Hi, my name's Candy. I'm 10 years old. Don't mind the background noise. It's just my cousin making fart noises.
He's like hiding right now, but it's fine.
My favorite colors are pink and purple. My favorite animal is a cat. I absolutely love them. I even have a cat named Miss Monkey. My birthday is May 31st, 2015. And that's all I really want to say right now. I don't know what else to say to y'all. Wait, I actually do have something to tell you. I want to be an art teacher whenever I grow up, and I don't have enough subscribers, so please subscribe. I only have 3 right now, so please subscribe, like, and turn on your notifications. So yeah, that's all I really have for today. Bye.